Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to bold text in Facebook posts on mobile. The first thing you will do is go into Facebook. Then right in the top left hand corner where you see what's on your mind, you're going to tap on that. And from here, you can simply type out your text. So I'll simply type out a quick message here. Then you're going to tap down on your message and you want to copy it. So I'll select all, then tap on copy. Once you have copied the message, you're going to go into your device browser and you're going to type in bold text generator. Then you're going to tap on search. And from here you can select any one of these bold text generators. For example, this one right here. And after selecting the generator, you'll simply scroll down and you'll see the option type or / paste your text here. You can simply paste the text that you had copied earlier. And from here, you can choose if you want to bold italics. Then you'll simply tap on copy. So you'll tap on bold right there and you can see an example of how it looks. Then tap on copy. You can see it has been copied. Now you'll simply go back into Facebook. Now once in the app, you're going to clear what you were typing earlier. Then tap on paste. And you can see it right there. The text is now bold. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.